2023, guys, my giving back project for 2023. This year will be 4 years. I started a project where for Thanksgiving, I call it Giving Thanks. I go out, myself and my children, and we drive around and we hand out care packages and food, home cooked meals. For this year, I wanted to go a little bit easy on myself due to struggles or stress during this time with my job. So this time I won't be cooking. You can also check out on my YouTube channel to see what I did in prior years. This is a passion that is dear to my heart. I really don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I use this time to give back to those who are less fortunate. So just a quick little snippet of how my night started. Last night, went out, did some shopping, socks, hats, gloves, scarves, little snacks, water, juice, hand sanitizer, and I packed some care packages. Today on my live, I showed you what I was prepping, which was some sandwiches that I made today, and I'll be storing them in my fridge. And I am looking forward to going out tomorrow and seeing the smiles on the less fortunate faces when I hand them sandwiches and a care package. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, no matter how small it is, if you're able to stretch a hand to give to someone. I'm always with my family, so I always, or for the past 4 years, I have been giving back in a community where when I migrated from Jamaica, that was where we came, Hartford, Connecticut. I don't video people when I'm giving them stuff because I just think it's a vulnerable moment and I don't want anyone on camera. So you won't be seeing me doing a distribution. However, I just wanted to show this to you. Give and expect nothing in return. I do hope this motivates you. Like, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Happy holidays to you and your family.